Could you use an extra $200, $500, $1,000, or more a month? Well, you're probably sitting on it and don't even know it. If you're like most, you probably realize there is something you could be doing but just can't seem to put your finger on the answer. You could even pay your house off in 5 to 7 years. Yes, you heard me right. Pay your house off in 5 to 7 years. If that notion doesn't grab your attention, then you need to hear this. You can get more out of what you own and what you earn with Truth in Equity's patented credit line banking. For 17 years, Truth in Equity has been helping people of all financial situations get a boost out of their income. You need to check out Credit Line Banking by Truth in Equity. CLB is a better way to bank and borrow. Go to truthinequity.com. You can enter your own numbers and run a detailed analysis on your personal situation. You will receive an immediate detailed summary for your benefit. If you are curious to know if you can find that extra cash that you're probably just sitting on, go to truthinequity.com, check out Credit Line Banking, and see for yourself. Are you where you want to be? Do you CLB? You should be. Visit truthinequity.com. Unlock your financial potential today. Visit truthinequity.com and start your journey towards financial freedom. Truth in Equity, your path to financial success.